We could have one more chance to see the northern lights before 2024 is over. The Space Weather Prediction Center issued a G3 geomagnetic storm watch for the 31st because of a coronal mass ejection that left the sun on the 29th. So the number in these two columns represents something called the KP index, and the higher that number, the farther south you could see the northern lights. We have some of the highest numbers very early on Tuesday morning into daybreak Eastern time. The University of Alaska is also putting out a forecast for high auroral activity for early on Tuesday morning, 31 December. You might be able to see highly active displays in areas like Portland, Oregon, Cheyenne, Lincoln, Springfield, and New York City, and then maybe a little bit lower on the horizon as far south as Raleigh, North Carolina. It's a new moon phase, so the skies will be a little bit darker versus if we had more of the moon showing. Here's a look at a wider view of that U-Alaska forecast for aurora for the 31st of December. And this is in Eastern time, so I've highlighted the highest forecast of a KP of 7 from about 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. As usual with these forecasts to see the northern lights, everything has to come together just right, but we do have an increased risk of seeing them before we head into the new year.